Hi, Kev here again, DonnyOsmosis, and today is a very cold Tuesday, January 26th, and in my 365 perfect albums calendar, today is Tres Hombres, ZZ Top, and I thought this would be a nice segue or sequel. Check that out, kind of beat up. This one has seen some wear. Nice sequel to my slide in standard tuning video, which is actually doing pretty well. Well, for DonnyOsmosis standards, not very good for like a Kardashian or Jimmy Kimmel. And I've realized that today we're going to go over major, minor, relativity, relative major to minor, which I brought up in my slide video, and there are probably some guitar players who are like, I have no idea what he's talking about. But first, to the issues with my aging. I'm taking the vitamin E every day, and I feel good about it, but I don't think it really helps my face that much. Maybe I need to double the dose. So my sister sent me these little eye cream thingies that you see through dealios, and I think they help. So I'm gonna pick up some of those. But I thought, for the immediate gratification, you just got to wear giant sunglasses. This is a really good book, by the way. Elton John has a wicked sense of humor. When I first got this for a Christmas gift or birthday gift, I thought, I'm not going to like that. Even though I like a lot of his albums, I thought, but he's actually a super funny guy. And of course, he has 5,000 stories. Here's a little chart. Here's your relative major to minor. So you can just hit pause if you want to write that down, or I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to remember it. And then here's your minor pentatonic if you start on the pointer finger. If you start on that note, your pinky finger, then you have the relative major. C major is the same as A minor. So that's what you want to hear and see. You want to hear that and see that walk down, the 3 half steps down. C, C, down a half step, down a half step. So you have the 1, 6, 4, 5 pattern that you hear in all those old songs from the early 60s. Right, that's 1, 6, 4, 5. So the 1, 6 is the relative major to minor. If you think of House of the Rising Sun, it's kind of backwards, minor to major. Got it? So A minor is the same as C major, and I'll go into that again more specifically. D major is B minor. So that's all we're doing, is we're taking that same chord and moving it up. Here's C, which equals A minor. Here's D, equals B minor. So D sharp or E flat, C minor. F equals D minor. G, E minor. So then you could think of backwards would be 10 years after I'd love to change the world. Love to change the world, etc. Hope I'm not going too fast for you here. C major uses all the same notes. On a piano, it would be all white keys, all natural notes. There's no sharps or flats in the key signature. C major uses all white keys, all natural notes, as does A minor. Here's A minor pentatonic. C major pentatonic. All the same notes, we're just starting on a different one. And the same goes for a full major scale versus a full minor scale. Here's C major. Right? Here's A minor. Same exact notes, we're just starting on a different one. So again, C major equals A minor, G major equals E minor. So you can do your E minor pentatonic for a G major scale. Throw in the little Allman Brothers note. D major equals B minor, E major equals C minor. And that you can see with a lot of Jimi Hendrix and Doobie Brothers stuff. So here's E major. Well, here's C sharp minor. So all you do is you come up a whole step from where you are with the major, and you've got Jimi Hendrix is always doing that kind of thing too. And then Beatles, right? Don't Let Me Down. Don't let me down. Etc. So let me show you this one more time. And then maybe I'll do a video on theory where we get into the key signatures. This picture, Fandango, my ZZ Top Southern Rock tribute band, this picture is like 18 years old. I was 34, somewhere in there. So that, passing of time. We are in action with our little talking horses attached to the mic stands. Yep, Texas would be a good place to be today because it was about 0 degrees here in Minnesota when I woke up. Everybody knows it was hard to leave. Everybody knows it was down at the Balinese. All right, happy practicing, everybody. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train, wind and rain, blah, 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 etc.